Hello, Raven. I saw your question here. I took a picture of it. You want to graph the line passing through the given point and have an indicated slope. So it goes through -3, -1, and has this slope of -5/4. So here's the correct answer. Your answer is really close to it, but you got to look really close. I guess, first of all, it goes through -3, -1. So if you count to the left 3 and down 1, looks like you do have that point correct. It looks like to me it's going through -3, -1. Now you're supposed to use the slope here to find the other point, and the slope is changing y over change in x. And so the change in x is 4, and I'll put a negative to the numerator. The change in y is 5. And so if you start at this point and you count it over 4 and down 5, you should be at another point on the line. And so we're starting at -3, so it'll be 1, 2, 3. We count over a 4, that'd be a +1. And then we count down, 5? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think if you zoom in, you just didn't quite make it through it should be 1, -6, and I don't think, if you look over here, it's going through 1, -6, but it looks like yours is slightly below 1, -6. And so I think this point's just a little bit off. I hope this helps.